Right guys, it's 6 in the morning. We've just had about 50 mil of rain, so we thought we'd come out and try this spot. It's always good straight after the rain. As you can see, it's flooded the banks. So let's see how we go. Stay there. Bite it. Keep the head down. Go, pull it. No, wind. Don't give it slack, mate. Go one. There you go. Just slow it down. Very good. What is it, little jack, or I can't tell? Or is it a barra? Oh no, it's a barra. Keep it low. Keep it low. Good job. All right, let it. Oh, I just got a. I'm on, mate. Wait. I just got a hit. Oh, I'm on too, mate. Double hook up. Stay there. No, keep it down in the water, you'll drop it. Yeah. Loosen the drag now. Just like that a little bit. Oh, walk down. We're gonna bring him up. As soon as you caught yours, I felt mine tap. Walk around.
That was a good
Oh, man. Walk over to the grass like always. They're both exactly the same size. Just better back off a bit. No. Back to the grass first, remember? Yeah, and then once we're in a good zone, walk backwards so I can help you and then I'll get me. Walk back. Mine might be just a tad bigger.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Let's see. Hang on.
Oh, I think they're brothers.
Gee, they're identical.
They're
Mine's just bigger, yes! Woo!
They're